The most effective way to regain your power from a woman who hurt you is by channeling your energy into self-improvement. Let me start with a powerful quote by Napoleon Hill. "When your desires are strong enough, you will appear to possess superhuman powers to achieve." At first, this may seem unrelated to reclaiming your power, but let me explain. You lost your power because you made the mistake of placing her at the center of your life. Your focus on her became so intense that you lost sight of yourself, and in doing so, handed over control. She gained power over you because you allowed her to take up all your time, energy, and attention. Meanwhile, your own growth was put on the back burner. You weren't working out, weren't stacking up your finances, and weren't striving to improve yourself. In fact, it's likely that things started to deteriorate in those areas because she drained you of the energy that should have been invested in yourself. The harsh reality is, she was able to toy with you because you handed her the power she never earned. The reason she had control was that you didn't have control over your own desires. Instead of mastering them, you allowed them to dictate your actions, which gave her the opportunity to manipulate the situation. When you don't have control over your desires, someone else will. This brings us back to Napoleon Hill's quote, "When your desires are strong enough, you will appear to possess superhuman powers to achieve." The key to reclaiming your power is to redirect your desires inward, toward your own growth and self-mastery. You must be so consumed with becoming the best version of yourself that nothing else, including her, even matters. Once you adopt this mindset, it's like flipping a switch that unleashes an inner strength. Whether it's in the gym, at work, or mastering a new skill, you'll find yourself completely committed to self-improvement. Speaking from personal experience, I wasn't always lifting the way I do now, but the desire to be in peak physical shape pushed me to reach that level. As you gain more control over your desires, you'll find your power growing exponentially. You'll feel better, look better, and the changes won't go unnoticed, especially by her. And believe me, she will notice. Even if she pretends she doesn't, she'll see the new, improved you. She'll recognize how you've leveled up, how much better your life is without her. And that's when you'll know you've truly regained your power. Your energy will be different, almost electric. You'll walk with confidence, dressed sharper, financially more secure, and mentally stronger. She may have thought the grass was greener elsewhere, but now she sees that your side is flourishing because you're taking care of yourself. Now she might want to come back into your life, but here's the catch: it's too late. She left when you were down, and you rose without her. That's the beauty of being underestimated. It grants you the opportunity to prove others wrong. There's nothing quite like leveling up in life and watching the people who once doubted you realize their mistake. This isn't just about relationships. It's a principle that applies to life as a whole. When people don't value you or fail to see your worth, don't waste time dwelling on it. Instead, invest all that energy into becoming the best version of yourself. Channel it into self-improvement, and you'll be amazed at how much stronger you become. The truth is, not everyone is going to value you, and that's fine. What matters most is how much you value yourself. The real question you need to ask is, how long are you willing to wait before you start demanding the best for yourself? How long will you wait before you begin focusing on your own needs and goals? Once you've regained your power, under no circumstances should you allow her back into your life. I've made that mistake before, letting someone who hurt me come back, only to be disappointed again. She wasn't there when you were struggling, when you were rebuilding yourself brick by brick. She didn't stand by you during your darkest moments, so why let her reap the rewards of your hard work now? She left when things were tough, so she doesn't deserve to enjoy the fruits of your success. If she wasn't there to support you when you were putting in the hours at the gym, grinding at work, or figuring out how to get back on your feet, she has no place in your life now that you've rebuilt yourself. The foundation you've created is stronger, more resilient, and built to last. The person you've become is more powerful, more capable, and more prepared for whatever life throws at you. That's why she wants to come back. But don't let her. Sometimes, the best thing a woman can do is leave you, because that rejection becomes the catalyst for your growth. It gives you the opportunity to focus fully on yourself, to grind, to get your body in shape, your finances in order, and your mind right. When someone doesn't see your potential, don't take it as a loss. Instead, see it as the push you needed to invest in yourself. In the end, the most effective way to get your power back from a woman who hurt you is to invest that energy into improving yourself, mentally, physically, and spiritually. Dedicate yourself to becoming the best version of you, and watch how everything else falls into place. Stay strong, stay focused, and keep moving forward. And remember this: once you've regained your power, don't ever let anyone take it from you again.